man has been arrested. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling relieved, but this just isn't about me. There are so many cases that goes unreported, and we should stand up and take proper action on those things. And we should speak up for ourselves. Then only the society and the judicial will support us.
Absolutely. Soni, if I could also take you back to the incident, what were you doing in that area? How did you encounter this man?
So I was coming from the Jaipur to Gurugram, and I was waiting for my cab there. So then the man came near to me and started doing this horrible thing in front of me.
And you did not try to stop him? Did you confront him?
No, I didn't. I was froze. I didn't know like what to do at the time, how to react or something like that. I was
Were
completely
there other
froze.
people? Was it a crowded area, Soni? Were there other people who saw him doing that?
It was like a very heavy traffic there, but not so many people were around me. The people were, but they were nearly 200 to 300 meters far away from me.
Did you get to know anything about this man? Because what information we have collected here is that he is some assistant manager at some of the private firm. Has he been
Yes.
involved in such activities in the past? Did you get to know anything about that?
I am very shocked that he is a married man. He have a child, and I'm feeling very pity for his family. But as he has commenced a crime, so he should be punished for that. I know what to do about his family and all. I'm feeling very helpless and sorry for them just
What,
because of this man.
right, what kind of action you want the police to take in this matter now?
This is not about anything personal. This is about the crime, and the judicial and the law will decide the punishment according to the seriousness of the case.